नमस्ते। एजुकेशन की पाठशाला में फिर से आपका नमस्कार। और हम लोग आ गए हैं टर्निंग पॉइंट स्कूल और यहाँ पर हमारे साथ जुड़ने जा रहे हैं प्रेम कुमार, जो इंग्लिश समझिए कि इंग्लिश 9, 10, 11, 12 इंग्लिश के ये बहुत अच्छे समझिए कि एजुकेशन दे रहे हैं ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे। बहुत ही अच्छा इनका व्यू है, रिव्यू है और बच्चे का प्यार है ये सारा। और इसी के हमें भी गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला कि प्रेम सर से बात करें कि सर क्या कुछ खास है। बच्चे का सीबीएसई का एग्जाम चल रहा है और इंग्लिश पेपर से एग्जाम स्टार्ट हुआ था, क्या कहेंगे सर जी?
And CBSE has this time taken a new step, that is a leap bounding step. He has started, or it has started, the examination on 15th of February. That was the paper of English class 10th. And in class 12th, the paper would be on 11th of March, that is English code 2002 code. That is why I would like to suggest about class 12th student. They would focus on their books, that is called the applicas, and you will get succeed, because in the book there are selective questions. As you know that in class 12th examination there is no grammar, only writing would be emphasized as well as the passage section. So there would be 3 passages. If 2 passages would be imposed to the student, there will be 4 writings, one notice, one will be complaint writing, complaint letter, third will be that is of creative, if advertisement would be there. So such kind 3 writings is a must. One more might be or not might be. Main focus would be on literature, especially you will go then the third level, class 12th, then Indigo written by Louis Fisher. Third one was that deep water, Jeffrey Fisher's, and these chapters are very much important. While the poem is concerned, My Mother at 66, written by Kamala Das, is very much important this year, I feel and do believe. What about class 10th student? Their copy checking is going on because the examination held on 15th of February. That is why the papers should be evaluating on different centers all over the India, and teachers are being engaged right now. But this time I believe that liberal copy checking will be done, and all
sir,
the best. Yes, sir.
what about sir about saying that the physics, sir?
Physics, I think this time CBSE has done a blunder,
Yeah.
a deep or great wrong. What about the questions? Some questions student consider that out of the context, out of the syllabus, what you have prescribed. First point is that. Second point, your level of the question in physics was up to IIT level, or those students who are taking part in NEET, they are unable to solve those questions in physics. What was that? Especially set 3 in Bihar, Jharkhand, and Uttar Pradesh. Those students who got set 3, they mostly, I think and do believe that they abandoned the question paper. And as I know, because English is compulsory, English class 12th, so in for those students who would be there of physics student, they complain that this is problem.
Okay.
So all the best. Keep
मैथ्स
confidence.
मैथ्स के लिए
Maths, for maths examination, you will believe that one publishers I will recommend EduCart. You could choose the sample paper of that EduCart. EduCart has especially this time given the separate standard sample paper for that. NCRT, that is best. The sir has already suggested. What about me? But up to the sample paper and mock test, you must adopt that book, and that is given particularly to the students. So you will choose that. That is good. And whatever you have prepared, the chapters you have prepared, go and revise them. That is all. Thank you.
थैंक यू। यह सीधा देखिए हमारे साथ प्रेम सर थे ना, दे हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द इंग्लिश। इंग्लिश का क्या है इन्होंने सीधा बता दिया कि इंग्लिश के बारे में बताया। और मैक्सिमम कि 12th लेवल का जो क्वेश्चन दूसरा इंग्लिश पैटर्न्स के ऊपर बताया, 10th क्योंकि मैक्सिमम जगह मैक्सिमम स्कूल्स द इवैल्यूएशन इज गोइंग टू बी स्टार्टेड बिकॉज सीबीएसई इज नाउ एक्टिव, because each they know that ki each and every students are giving their best, because each and every schools providing the best quality of education system. And already Prem sir said that ki if you do practice NCERT, that will Umesh sir say NCERT को कहा गया है रामबाण। रामबाण
Ram Education NCERT is a Bible for student of class 12th, class 10th also, because both have the English papers, math paper, and math papers are left to be solved. Class 12th, CBSE class 12, and 10th also. That is the second last paper. And after Holi, there will be IT paper,
Yeah.
but that is minor paper. The main paper, the
Is maths.
mathematics and
तो होली से पहले एग्जाम मैथ्स के पेपर है, 10th और 12th दोनों के मैथ्स है। तो मैथ्स में बाइबल कहिए, रामबाण कहिए, या आपका अगर एनसीईआरटी अगर कंप्लीट है तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, एडू कार्ड को आप एक बार प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए। चैप्टर्स को आप समझिए कि चैप्टर्स कॉन्सेप्ट को आप अगर समझे कि ईच एंड एवरी चैप्टर्स इसमें कितने मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन पूछा, 2 मार्क्स, 3 मार्क्स, 1 मार्क्स, 5 मार्क्स, 6 मार्क्स, ये पैटर्न को समझना है। इस पैटर्न को समझिए और सीरियल सेक्शन वाइज आपको लिखना है। देन यू कैन, जब 100 में 100 एसएसटी में आ सकता है, इंग्लिश में आ सकता है, तो मैथ्स में भी 100 में 100 आता है। तो 100 में 100 लाने के लिए डू और डाई आपको इतना मेहनत करना है जिससे आप 100 में 100 ला सकते हैं। और हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, एजुकेशन की पाठशाला कुमार रोशन सर।